It is difficult to solve a problem without first identifying what is causing it. We recognize that helping people identify problems is an important part of our jobs, and we spend much of our time collecting and analyzing samples. Most of the samples that we receive are either weed identification or herbicide injury evaluation samples. Although there are probably more than 50 weeds in this region, there are hundreds more that occasionally turn up. We have been identifying weeds for many years, but there are a few weeks that go by that we don't see something that we're not sure about. Even the common weeds can look significantly different when they are growing in different areas under different conditions. Weeds growing in the irrigated southwestern deserts can have characteristics that complicate their identification. Annual weeds are normally classified as those that live during the summer or winter and then die. This distinction is often inaccurate in the low deserts of Arizona when weeds that are normally classified as summer annual weeds survive into the winter months under mild winter temperatures and frequent irrigations. It is not uncommon then for some summer annual weeds to live for 2 years or even as biennials for even longer as weak perennials. Similarly, winter annuals can sometimes survive through the summer where they are shaded by a crop and receive frequent irrigations. One of the best resources for identifying weeds is by Joe DiTommaso, and it's 2 volumes, over 900 pages, and contains over 750 species. So only $80 currently. There's a link on our site that you can click on to order that. We also receive many herbicide injury samples, and these can be even more difficult to accurately identify. There are more than 100 different active ingredients contained in herbicides used in this region. None of these produces symptoms that can't also be produced by other factors such as diseases, insects, and other pests, nutritional problems, environmental stresses, and other reasons. Sometimes symptom patterns in the field or herbicide use history make diagnosis easy, although the only conclusive method to identify the problem is chemical analysis. This can be costly and time-consuming, but we still send many samples off to laboratories every year. Processing weed identification and herbicide injury samples are an important part of our responsibilities. You can download a sample ID form on our website or fill out a form at the Agriculture Center when you drop your samples off. Please let either myself, Barry Tickus, or Marco Pena know that you are bringing samples by, and we will arrange to receive them. We're currently working on locating a refrigerator in a prominent location at the Ag Center so that you can drop samples off when nobody is around. Thank you.